what are the treatment options for dry eyes? So basically, over the counter, one can purchase artificial tears. It can be used twice or thrice a day, and this can provide relief. And the next thing is warm compresses. A person may use like a cloth dipped in warm water and place it over the eyes, and this can also provide a relief from dry eye. One can also be careful to have a diet which is rich in omega-3 fatty acid. And then in the lifestyle measures, we can make sure that when we step outdoors, we can use sunglasses with the side protection so that we have a protection from the windy conditions. And while using computers, it is very important to blink more often, to take frequent screen breaks. So it is basically the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, one can take the eyes off the screen, look at an object which is like 20 feet away for about 20 seconds. So this is the golden rule for any computer user. One can follow the 20-20-20 rule and give adequate rest for the eyes. So if all these simple measures are not helping, then it may be time to consult an eye doctor. So an eye doctor will do a thorough analysis, including a proper history. There are also certain tests to understand which layer of the tear film is deficient. So based on that, the doctor will give decide on what line of medication has to be given. And also in certain situations, there may be some special systemic conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, Sjogren's syndrome, thyroid disease. In such situations, special medications need to be prescribed. So one can meet their eye doctor and understand what is the reason for the dry eye, and the treatment can be decided accordingly.